hope you all are doing well. Today I want to share with you a short yoga practice to start your day mindfully and positively and on a relaxed note. So let's start. So let's start our yoga practice with child's pose. So you are going to come on your knees and join your big toes together like this, and you're going to stretch your arms straight, and you're going to just rest your head down if you can reach all the way down, or you can come on your forearms. So just stretch your body with a simple child's pose. See if you can take 2 to 3 deep breaths. So breathe in deeply through your nose and breathe out slowly through your nose. Breathe in deeply through your nose. Breathe out slowly through your nose. Try this again. Then slowly you're going to come back up on all four positions, that is your hands and knees. So you're going to put your hands down and tuck your toes, lift your knees up, hips up, and look at your toes. We are in downward dog. So this is to help you stretch your legs and your back. Make sure your neck is relaxed, you're breathing. Stay here, breathing in and breathe out. Very good. You're going to put your knees down again. Okay, and you're going to step your right leg forward. We are in lizard pose, and you're going to stretch your left leg back. Okay, and now if you want to put your knees down or up for your left leg, you can do it, or you can keep it down. Okay, now this is to help you stretch your legs, your hips. As you woke up in the morning, your hips can be really tight and you might not feel very active in your lower body. So let's relax and release. Stay here. And then slowly on your next breath, you're going to take your right leg in and step your left leg forward now. And your left leg is outside your left hand. You're going to push your right knee back like this as much as you can. Lizard pose on the left side. Again, you can keep your right knee lifted or down as you wish. Breathe. See how do you feel in this pose. Stay here. Take one more breath here, breathing in and breathe out. Well done, children. Now you're going to put your knees back and we're going to do puppy pose. Okay, so how we do puppy pose, you're going to relax your toes and you're going to extend your arms out like this. And you're going to put your forehead down and your hips are moving away from your shoulders, and just take a nice deep stretch. Stay here, taking one more breath in and breathe out. Very good. Now you're going to bring your hands in like this. Okay, and now from here you're going to take the downward dog again by lifting your knees and hips up, pushing your chest back, and you're going to walk forward towards your hands like this. Slowly you're going to put your hands on your legs, take your head towards your legs, breathe. And we are in our forward bend. If you want, you can always bend your legs and you can rest your hand anywhere. Stay here with one more breath in and breathe out. And then you're going to open your legs wider like this, and we are in frog pose. You're going to put your hips down and forward. You're going to take your hands in like this, joining your hands together, frog pose. So stretch your legs out with your elbows, breathe, Stay here. One more breath, breathing in deeply, breathing out slowly. Well done. Put your hands down, bring your hips down, extend your legs straight like this. We are doing seated forward bend. So, you're going to extend your arms up. Inhale. Exhale, just go forward. You can put your hands anywhere again and just relax your head, breathe. And then slowly you're going to take your arms up. Inhale. Exhale, arms down. Very good. Now we're going to do butterfly pose. So you're going to come, join your feet together, put your hands on your feet, and you're going to just move your knees up and down slowly to energize your legs for next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Now, I'm going to just bring your legs in this easy pose, okay? And you're going to take your left hand, put it on the right side of your head, and just take your head to the left, stretching the right side of your neck. And then slowly bring your head back to normal position. Release your left hand, take your right hand, put it on the left side of your head. Take your head to the right. Stretch the left side of your neck. Breathe. And then slowly bring your head back to normal position. Extend your arms up. Inhale. Exhale. We're going to twist to the right. So left hand on the right knee. Right arm back, and just look at your right shoulder. Breathe. And then come back to face the front. Extend your arms up. Inhale. Exhale to the left. So right hand on the left knee, left hand back. Look at your left shoulder this time. And then slowly back to the center. Just take nice long stretch. So interlace your fingers, stretch your arms up. Inhale. Exhale, lean to the right. Inhale back to the center. Exhale to the left. Come back to the center again. Inhale. Exhale through your nose, arms down. Okay, we're going to end this practice with a humming deep breaths. You're going to put your hands on your ears like this. You're going to inhale through your nose. Then once you are done, you can put your hands on your knees. If you can just close your eyes for a few seconds. And one thing that you would like to think today, what you are grateful for. Just think about anything, even if it's a very small thing, just your home, your family, your food, your friends, whatever you are thankful for today, whatever comes to your mind, just think about it. And then slowly you're going to open your eyes. Namaste kids, thank you. And we are done with our yoga practice. I hope you enjoyed it, and to get the benefit from this practice, make sure you do this regularly. Thank you, and I hope to practice yoga with you again. Namaste.